In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync a device, contacts in Microsoft Teams. We'll walk through this process step by step so that your contacts from your phone or device appear directly in Microsoft Teams, making it much easier to call, chat, and manage your connections without having to switch between different apps. First, open Microsoft Teams on your device and sign in if you aren't already. Once Teams is open, look toward the bottom or side navigation bar, depending on your device and layout. Here, you'll see several icons like chat, calendar, and others. What you want to look for is the People section. This is where Teams keeps your contact list and where you'll manage syncing with your device. Go ahead and click on People. When you open it for the first time, you may see an empty list, or you might see some contacts that are already part of your organization or your Microsoft account. This area is designed to help you quickly find and communicate with people, and syncing your device contacts brings all your important numbers and names into one place. After you've opened People, look for the option that says Sync Device Contacts. This is usually presented as a clear button or link inside the People page. Click on Sync Device Contacts to start the process. At this point, your device or operating system might prompt you to grant permission for Microsoft Teams to access your contacts. This is normal and required for the sync to work. Make sure to read the prompt, and if you're comfortable with it, allow access so that Teams can import your contact list. If you deny access, your contacts will not sync, and you'll need to enable permissions later from your device settings. Once permission is granted, Teams will begin syncing your contacts from your device. This might take a little time if you have a lot of entries, so be patient. When it's done, you should see your device contacts appearing within the People section. From here, you can tap or click on a contact to start a chat, make a call, or view their details, depending on the features available in your version of Teams. If you ever notice that new contacts aren't appearing,